for our opening keynote on cloud computing and digital transformation in the new normal. We're joined by Sid Ahmed Bahrani, Chair US ISO, Working Group Innovation Management System, MENA, Government Advisor, United States Innovation Ecosystem Builder, United States. Well, Sid is a thought leader with 20 plus years of experience in multiple sectors, regions, and industry, and advises senior leaders and executive teams in the government and private sector on issues related to digital transformation, change management, market entry strategy, communication, leadership, innovation, human resources, performance management, and excellence. Thank you so much, Sid, for joining us today and giving us your valuable time. With this, the stage is all yours. Over to you.
Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen. Good evening, good afternoon, good morning. Welcome to this great event, the Cloud Show KSA. إخواني في المملكة السلام عليكم ورحمة الله تعالى وبركاته، وأرحب بكم في هذه المناسبة التي أعتبرها مناسبة جد قيمة، مناسبة لقاء معرفي ولقاء للتعارف. I am Sid Ahmed Ben Rawan. I lead the US ISO group in charge of innovation management system. And I am talking to you out of Dubai, United Arab Emirates. I wanted to welcome all of you and to share with you some thoughts on the cloud and the cloud computing. Of course, the last experience of the last year has taught us one important lesson, is that when the entire economy, when the entire global economy moved to the cloud, those who benefited from this move were companies that have previously invested in building a digital transformation philosophy, a digital transformation strategy. The importance of this move to the cloud has materialized for certain companies who have been able to reap the benefit of this pandemic, but more importantly, has taught aspiring leaders that it is important for organizations and for countries to be ready for more of this pandemic in the future to come and more of these disruptions to come. So what is your strategy for the cloud? What is your strategy for integrating exponential technologies? What is your strategy for blockchain? What is your strategy for artificial intelligence? And more importantly, how are you going to use the data that you have in the cloud to be able to make decisions? I hope you will find in these 2 days that are organized by Trustcan Global some answers to these questions, but more importantly, you will be able to interact with industry leaders, learn from them on what would be the best solution for your company and what would be the fit solution for your situation. But generally speaking, cloud computing is a proposition that allows for organizations to manage cost, to manage scalability, to manage disaster recovery, to manage data security, and to manage control and competitive edge. If you are able to address all these questions, to address all these obstacles, then perhaps you have been able to lead a cloud strategy that I am sure you will be able to reap the effect of it in the future. I don't have that much to say. I know that you are the expert and you are the people who have the knowledge about this important dimension of digital transformation. So I wish you all the best, and I thank all the organizers for getting us together to talk about these important issues. Myself, I shall see you in 1 hour or an hour and a half to talk about smart city and what smart cities have done to reap the effect again and the benefit of digital transformation and cloud computing. So again, thank you very much for having me as an opening keynote speaker, and I wish you all the best.
Thank you so much, Sid Ahmed, for joining us and giving in the opening keynote. We really value your time. Well, ladies and gentlemen, that was Sid Ahmed. And